Hello children, we'll continue with our chapter 4 National Movements in India. Come to page number 28. The first paragraph is already been done, which was about Jallianwala Bagh Massacre 13th March 1919. Now we'll continue with Khilafat movement. During the First World War, Turkey joined the German side. So when England won, the treaty that was made had many firm and unjust terms and conditions for the losing side. We have already been done this. The Sultan of Turkey at that time was Khalifa. That means he was head of Muslims. The movement in India to oppose the strict terms imposed on Turkey and the Sultan, which came to be known as Khilafat movement. Ali brothers, Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali, were the chief leaders of the movement. Gandhiji requested the Congress to support the movement. Keeping Hindu-Muslim unity in mind, the movement became severe with the Congress support. So when this Khilafat movement, how the Khilafat movement was supported with the help of our Indians, and this has given the Hindu-Muslim unity, and this was being requested by Gandhiji. Next comes non-cooperation movement, 1920-22. If you see this picture 4.3, common people in non-cooperation movement. The Nagpur conference gave the approval to non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation itself gives you the meaning of it is non-cooperation movement means not cooperating with the British. So the conference has given this approval for non-cooperation movement December 1920. Now the Congress made a strong demand for independence of India. Now Congress, they said we want our Raj, that is Swaraj. Swaraj, हम अपना राज खुद संभालेंगे. Instead of self-government, Swashasan, under the rule of British Empire. They were insisting the Indians to have their शासन, that is, but under the British Empire. आप अपना राज्य चला सकते हैं, लेकिन हम आपके ऊपर रहेंगे, कंट्रोल करेंगे. Now, constructive aspect. In the positive aspect of the movement was Hindu-Muslim unity to be strengthened, insistence on using Swadeshi articles, revival of spinning wheels in every house. हर एक घर में चरखा चलने लगा था. Collection of 1 crore rupees for Tilak Swaraj Fund. They have started to collect money, and the name was given as Tilak Swaraj Fund. Abolition of untouchability. That time untouchability was prevailing, so that has to be abolished. And national education, यानी कि हमारे तरीके से पढ़ाई होगी. No English education and prohibition, etc. Now, what is the meaning of abolition of untouchability? In short, I will tell you. Untouchability was prevailing that time. छूत अछूत के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा बोला जाता था. छोटी जात वालों को अनटचेबल्स कहा जाता था. इसीलिए इस चीज़ को भी abolish करना है. That was the demand. The negative aspect. The negative aspects consisted of giving up of government jobs. Now, those who were there in government jobs, they have to give up those jobs. Government schools and colleges, boycott legislatures, resign from government courts, local self-government, boycott foreign clothes and other articles, government functions, titles, etc. Government has given so many titles to the Indians. So that has to be given back to them. And the people, those who were as an employee working in government offices, they have to give up their job. So this was a negative aspects. Now programs for non-cooperation movement. In the beginning of the movement, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore surrendered their titles Kesare Hind and knighthood honor. So this was the two honors which was given by the British to Mahatma Gandhi ji and Rabindranath Tagore. So they have surrendered it back with respect. Other leaders of the nation who gave up their titles and positions. Students left English schools and colleges. At various places, foreign clothes were set on fire. When Duke of Kainet came to India, he was boycotted in 1921 November. The ceremony of honoring Prince of Wales was boycotted. Means they were not cooperating with the English. That is what is called as non-cooperation movement. Such incidents created considerable national excitement. ये सारा हो रहा था, सब हर एक बंदे में एक्साइटमेंट था कि हम कुछ अपने देश के लिए कर रहे हैं और ज़रूर एक दिन अपने देश को हासिल करके रहेंगे. On the other hand, national schools and colleges were established like Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Millia, Gujarat, etc. Vidyapits, due to the vigorous propaganda for Swadeshi goods, the import of cloth, footwear, luxurious items from England reduced drastically. जो चीज़ें फॉरेन से आ रही थी इंग्लैंड से, पीपल स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग इट एंड नाउ दे आर ओनली यूजिंग स्वदेशी प्रोडक्ट्स. So this reaction rattled the British government. It has really shaken them. The government was shocked by this kind of huge economic loss to England. Of course, when the things which was coming from England to India and the people were using it, paying high prices for that, and they were getting the benefit of it. So now the economic growth has shattered down in England. More than 1 crore rupee was collected in the Tilak Fund. On many occasions, the Hindu-Muslim emerged predominantly. The Mopla revolt, Malabar, between Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants deserves criticisms, and it was suppressed by the British Army. The government adopted the policy of suppression. Wherever they see something like the unity amongst the Indians, they were suppressing them. Uncontrolled lathi charge, and how they were suppressing? Uncontrolled lathi charge, firing, collective arrest, and inhuman torture was meted out. Unsuccessful attempts to break Hindu-Muslim unity were made. Next is the Chauri Chaura incident and withdrawal of the movement. Now this non-cooperation movement started, and within the short period of 2 years it has been withdrawn. Why? Because this incident, this is also one of your answer. People took out a rally in Chauri Chaura village in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. The police opened fire on them. See, as usual, always whenever there was a rally, any procession, the police used to, with the order of the British commanders, they used to lathi charge, firing and collective arrest. So here also it happened the same. But when they ran short of bullets, जैसे उनकी बुलेट्स कम हो गई, people attacked the police station and set on fire, in which 21 policemen died. On receiving this horrible news, Gandhiji said, I have committed a Himalayan blunder by giving the tool of satyagraha in the hands of people who do not understand the value of non-violence. This was the statement given by Gandhiji, and he suspended the movement immediately. Now, importance of, this is also one of your answer, 1.3. The above was 3.4. The movement did not achieve its desired aims, but through its negative and constructive aspects managed to generate in people awareness of their rights. Movement तो बराबर से नहीं चला, लेकिन लोगों में अवेयरनेस आ गया, उन्हें समझ में आने लगा कि हमारे हक क्या है, what are our rights. A negative atmosphere against the government was created. There was a strong feeling of opposition against injustice. Every person of India, that means every Indian, would understand that how we have to go against the injustice. We want justice. We are not going to bear any injustice further. There was a political awareness among all the classes of India. The faith in independence became stronger. The fear of lathi, punishment and imprisonment was removed. उनको कोई डर नहीं था. The youth and women too came forward to serve their nation, and Congress became an organization of the people. School giving national education began. Hindi started getting more importance than English. The movement that was limited to cities and towns and intellectuals spread to the people and the villages. पहले हमने पढ़ा था कि it was only for this movement was only for the people living in the cities, or those who are educated, or those who are living in the towns, and those who are intellectuals, they understand. But now it has been spread to each and every person of India, that is, it has reached up to the village. Then comes the Swaraj Party. With the purpose of retaining the national awareness among people, Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru formed the Swaraj Party. This is your short note number 4. Party after the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement. जैसे ही नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट विड्रॉ हुआ उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि विल मेक अ स्वराज्य पार्टी. देयर पर्पस वाज टू एंटर द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. दे वांट टू एंटर इनटू द गवर्नमेंट एंड अपोज द अनफेयर पॉलिसीज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. वहाँ पे जो अनफेयर पॉलिसीज जो इंडिया के लिए चल रही है उसको रोकना था. द लीडर्स ऑफ द स्वराज पार्टी ऑल्सो अडॉप्टेड द कंस्ट्रक्टिव एक्टिविटीज ऑफ गांधी जी लाइक एबॉलिशन ऑफ untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, revival of spinning wheel and liquor prohibition. Liquor prohibition means, in Gujarat it is prohibited not to use the liquors. Swaraj Party contested the election of the legislatures held in November 1923, and the candidates of the Swaraj Party were elected in the central legislature as well as the provincial legislature. So they had contested the election, and which was held in 1923 November, and the candidates were of Swaraj Party. They were elected in the central legislature as well as in the provincial legislature, that is state. That time it was said to be a provinces, so state legislature, and got clear majority. So उनको जीत गए वो लोग. It did not get the majority in Bengal but emerged as a strong party. Though they did not get in Bengal, but they are said to be a strong party. Motilal Nehru was elected into a central legislature as the party leader, and Chittaranjan Das was elected in the Bengal province. The Swaraj Party disapproved the government budgets and proposals and resented the unjust policy of the government. इनका मकसद था, उनको जताना था कि your British government is not just. So they disapproved whatever the budgets they showed, the proposals, and also the unjust policies of the government. It compelled the government to consider the problems of the people. They forced them that you have to understand our problems, what the people of India are facing. Due to the working of the Swaraj Party, only government had to appoint the Simon Commission 2 years early. So this Simon Commission was appointed by the government just to look into the matter of Swaraj Party. The Swaraj Party functioned in a disciplined manner and established high parliamentary practices. They had a very good function in a disciplined manner. It proved to the British government that Indians can rule constitutionally and democratically. उन्होंने बता दिया कि democratically और constitutionally हम लोग अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं. The educated class of India was thus attracted to the Swaraj. सारे जो educated लोग थे वो स्वराज पार्टी की तरफ attract हो गए. They said yes, they are doing well. So national awareness re-emerged in the people. The party played a crucial role in bringing the achievement of independence very near. Now because of this party, अब उनको दिखने लगा था कि हम जल्दी ही स्वराज्य हम ले सकते हैं. All this indicates the importance of the party. But see what happened. This is your short note 4, and now this is 3.5 answer. The last paragraph is 3.5. Now see, unfortunately what happened with the death of Chittaranjan Das in June 1925. See, it happened in 1923, and here in 1925 Swaraj Party became weak. Some members began supporting the government while others established a new party named the National Party. Thus, the prestige of the Swaraj Party reduced. In the 1926 election, all its members lost terribly, except in Madras province. Vipin Chandra Pal and Surendranath Banerjee even criticized the party strongly. So my dear children, I will be sending you the page numbers. Still you can see the page numbers, the answers are marked on the page numbers. I will send you the numbers, page number, the answers, and you have to write them in your notebook. Thank you.